Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for Sunday, December 4th, 2022. We're going to look at the National Radar and Composite Picture and also any hazards that are available or visible for the lower 48 United States. First of all, we have a zonal flow going on here with a return to cooler air for the Northeast and the upper Midwest. Conditions are still warm in the Southeast and the Sunbelt areas of Texas and the Arc-O-Tex and the Mid-Mississippi Valley. These conditions will continue out west. Heavy snows in the upper Rocky chain, as well as the Bitterroots and the Wasatch Mountains of Utah and Nevada, and up into the Cascades Mountains of Oregon and Washington State. Showers along the coast continue to impact from Medford, Coos Bay, Oregon, down through the San Francisco Bay Area. These showers will continue to impact your Sunday as well as your Monday morning commute. In the American Southwest, we have some showers extending from a line from up the I-10 corridor, up Tucson, up through the Sierra Verde Mountains of New Mexico, and on the western side, those showers will continue to progress throughout the night. Now, we have the local hazards here. We have a winter storm advisory, a winter weather advisory. This extends along the Columbia River Gorge, coming up I-84 there, through Portland, the Dalles, Vancouver, Washington, and along the Stovepipe of Idaho into the highest of elevations in the Rockies, the Bitterroot chain of Montana, and on through central and eastern Montana, including the cities of Cutbank, Havre, and Butte, Montana as well. This also extends down through the Yellowstone Mountain Range there in Wyoming and the Salt Lake City, Provo, Utah metro area there as well. And also includes the western front range of the Rockies out toward past north and west of Boulder, Colorado. So we also have a winter storm warning in effect for the High Sierra. So South Lake Tahoe, Bridgeport chains are required above 6,000 feet, 6,500 feet. So if you're coming through there, be very, very careful. Elsewhere, we do have a little bit of a high wind warning coming up I-25. If you're heading towards Cheyenne, Wyoming, and Casper, there is a high wind warning as these winds blow across, blowing snow and drifting snow across I-25 in those areas of eastern Wyoming and into the high plains of western Nebraska there as well. That is your national hazards. We also have a dense fog advisory along the Gulf Coast. So if you're in Houma, Louisiana, Biloxi, Gulfport, Mississippi, coming along I-10 or I-12 there, Thibodaux, Louisiana, and through some of those St. Tammany parishes and those Calcasieu parish, those parishes down in southern Louisiana, there was a dense fog advisory. This should last through the morning hours and burn off later on in the afternoon around 2 or 3 p.m. Local time there. So that's what we have going on in the national picture, and the radar confirms that we have some showers extending in the line from Birmingham to Atlanta along I-20 and along I-85 for the line extending here just to the South Carolina border up through upstate South Carolina from Anderson to Greenville, South Carolina. And we also have some showers extending along I-22 from Tupelo down through Clarksdale and I-55 and Greenwood, Mississippi as well. Snow showers, like I said, continue to make their impact here into the upper Pacific Northwest, from I-84, Twin Falls, Idaho, Pocatello, Idaho Falls. We have snow coming in through Olympia, Washington, and Portland, Oregon, and in through the Columbia River Gorge, through Kennewick and Yakima, Washington. Snow continues to make their impact heading towards Spokane, Washington, a light to moderate band of snow. And down in the High Sierras, like I said, if you're coming along Interstate 80 there through Truckee, California, Lake Tahoe, Reno, Bridgeport, down through Bridgeport and all the High Sierra country, snow continues to impact that area. Clear in the San Joaquin Valley, so from Fresno to Sacramento along the 99 through Modesto looks clear back down through Bakersfield and the LA Basin. Some brief showers are extending in the Riverside County and the Inland Empire. So if you're along 215, the 60 freeway, Moreno Valley, the 99, the 215, once again, those showers will extend into the Corona, Riverside, Norco, Loma Linda, San Bernardino area. San Diego is absolutely fabulous and clear right now as conditions warranted as possible. So once again, a stormy pattern is to bring rain and snow chances for the Midwest and Northeast throughout Monday and Tuesday. And also, we have forecast the tropics. The end of the hurricane season has ended. And so we don't foresee any tropical weather for the next 10 days or for the next month, rather, in December. You can see the GFS pattern here. So showers and storms continuing to ride up through the Ohio Valley as the low pressure becomes firmly entrenched into the jet stream pattern here of a dip. And so this will continue to bring showers throughout Monday and Tuesday. Then a deepening low pressure, kind of a nor'easter, but except it's going to be all rain with a few occasional snow showers back toward the Erie, Ashtabula, Ohio area, mixing in at times there off the lake. But it will be a rain event coming in on Saturday, December 10th. This deepening low pressure will continue to work its way off the coast, producing heavy showers from New York City, Boston, Massachusetts, Trenton, New Jersey, down through Philadelphia and D.C. corridor, before finally exiting off the coast this Sunday, December the 11th. Elsewhere it looks clear, then it's followed by another cold shot, but we don't see any deepening Arctic air coming in until middle of December, where it brings a shot of snow later on in the month towards the 15th of the month, where we could have a deepening snowstorm in the southern Appalachians, so in Asheville, and in the Blue Ridge Mountains and up through Tennessee, Nashville, and Kentucky. A deepening snow system, Alberta Clipper, could be coming down, producing a heavy snowstorm on December 15th riding up the East Coast through Friday, December 16th, bringing snow to the Mid-Atlantic and into the Northeast, finally wrapping around. So that's something to watch out for in the middle of December. That's according to the GFS model. Still have plenty of time to watch this develop as it dives down from Canada. But until then, we're just going to have light to moderate conditions, near normal to below normal temperatures, maybe 5 or 10 degrees below normal temperatures for the morning highs and morning lows. So this has been your current forecast for Sunday, November 4th, 2022. Thank you for joining me on the Weather Guru. See you in the next episode. Take care.